can't thank you enough for taking the time to listen to this story. There's thousands of stories about the people I meet when I'm visiting as a missionary into the woods, walking into a place that nobody has a roadmap to. For instance, as you see, I'm in a camp. Did you know that this camp is right here in Orlando, Florida, home of Mickey Mouse? There's a gentleman there. One day I met him as the result of visiting many camps, not just in Florida, but throughout the U.S. This particular man, when I met him, shocked me. I want you to hear this story. I was shocked when I found out that this man, you saw him in the video, the kind old man that was very humbled. He had been in the woods for 10 years, served in the military, he was a veteran, and I was shocked that he said in 10 years no one had visited him. How can that be? That gentleman right there was a veteran too, but this one right here that you're looking at, do you know what it took? I went and visited this man, and I got thousands of stories to tell you. All it took was to give this gentleman a ride to an office called SSI, and his benefits got turned right back on, and he was able to get the help that he need. This and a whole lot more you're going to hear, and you're going to discover how I'm just one man, but I'm passionate about making a difference in America, helping addicts, helping people on the street, helping people get off the streets. I'm not talking about feeding the homeless, but I'm talking about ministering to the homeless. There is a difference. I teach people how to be a missionary. I need your help. I ask for you to consider what I'm doing, and you tell me, is it worth helping over 3 million Americans at any given time that are on the streets? A lot of people are wondering, why am I creating Patreon? Because together, you privately, in our private group, you will know, you will hear the stories, you will see the crisis, you will see how we're making a difference. You will be able to determine what areas I go to, because we're going to communicate, we're going to be accountable, and we're not going to let anyone dictate how we help America. We're going to do it through you and through me, making a difference where it counts, with the people, by the people, for the people, under God. Thank you so much for being a part of this Patreon group. Each week you will get to hear stories. You will get to be a part of the Bible studies. You will get to be a part of a real community, making a real difference and setting a role model so that we can clone our efforts, take it across the USA. This is just the beginning. We're going right back out there, doing it again, week after week. And you give me the ability to do this full time every day, not once a week. As we train people and as this goes strong, I'm telling you, God has put it on my heart that a lot of the people that are getting saved in the last days are not necessarily in the four walls we call a church. Thank you so much for investing in this work and being a part of this community. I'm Joseph Romero. Thank you.